Peace to everybody. This is about Jason Van Dyke, who was rejected by the Supreme Court to resentence him in the Laquan McDonald case. And as you know, Jason Van Dyke was sent to jail for killing Laquan McDonald a long time ago, and Laquan McDonald ended up with 16 shots in him. And as the dash cam has shown, Laquan McDonald was walking away from Jason Van Dyke. The Illinois Supreme Court has rejected a bid by prosecutors to resentence former Chicago police officer Jason Van Dyke in the murder of 17-year-old Laquan McDonald. So the Supreme Court had rejected it, and they said, no, we're not going to resentence him. So they gave him what they gave him. The February request by Illinois Attorney General Kwame Ryle and Kane County State Attorney Joseph McMahon argued that Cook County Judge Vincent Gaughan got the guidelines wrong in his sentencing in January. The request came after many criticized the sentence was far too lenient. So these state's attorneys, they tell us saying, oh, well, they just want to keep it where it's at. And of course, the judge had got the guidelines wrong, which I don't know why he does that, but it did happen. And now they can't do nothing about it, but about resentencing Jason Van Dyke as people requested. Van Dyke was convicted in October 2018 for second-degree murder and 16 counts of aggravated battery in the 2014 slaying of McDonald. He was sentenced to 6 years and 9 months in prison. So that's all he got, was 6 years and 9 months. And I think it should have been longer than that, but 16 counts of aggravated battery, that should have been a longer sentence than what the judge had given him. Van Dyke was recently moved to the medium security prison, Otisville Federal Correctional Institution, a medium security prison in Otisville, New York. He was previously in the low security Federal Correctional Institution in Danbury, Connecticut, and was beaten last month shortly after his arrival to the prison. His prison records list his release date as February 8, 2022. This is a developing story. Check back for details. Of course, I'm keeping it up on this. And so he's been moved to another prison, and this time it's out in Otisville, New York, where he's in a minimum security and also he was beaten last month after being there. But but of course, the inmates must have, the only reason I could think of why the inmates have beaten him because they don't like cops killing people that they had no business of doing. So I guess probably that is the reason why. So whatever the reason is, I'm sure that it's just kind of unreal, but it does happen. And when you're new to another prison, yeah, they're going to pick on you, and they don't care who you are, if you're a cop or not. Tell me what you think about this in the comments below. I am out.